Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I'm starting to believe there's not much that this Lazenry fan can't do. Not only is this amazing for camping, it has 3 different levels of speed for fans, and it's super powerful. Do you need a light? It has 3. Do you need a charger? It has 2 ports for charging. Do you need to smell amazing fragrances while you sleep? It has a cotton pad in the middle of it that you can drop essential oils on so that you get soothing smells while you have the fan on. This thing is amazing. I also love that it's easy to carry around. It's solar powered and it has a hook on it. So when you're sleeping in a tent, you can easily hang it on any of the available hooks on the ceiling or just simply place it next to you in order to get that really nice and comforting breeze. We love to camp and sometimes it just gets too hot inside the tent. So having a fan like this is very essential for camping in the summer. Plus, of course, because it's solar powered, we don't have to worry about plugging it in to get that charge. We can simply place it out, get it all charged up, and then we have our fan, we have a light, we have a charge bank. It is absolutely amazing. We love this fan. You just simply open it up into a little triangle shape and you get that really nice flow of air. You are absolutely going to love it as much as we do. This fan is so amazing. It has so many different uses. I'm just super impressed by everything that it does, and it works so good. We just absolutely love it, and that's our point of view.